Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Look who's back! The mics, the mics. Look at the mics, they're so cute. And so is Rabia. You see how I'm so happy. So is
For the
Rabia.
mics.
Yeah, and then there's just Rabia beside me, cause well.
Okay.
Today we're back with another story time for you guys. Am I shouting too much?
Since Devika is already very too loud, I'm going to speak on behalf of her. Today we are back with another story time.
Rabbi did not know we were talking about the story time, so I kind of just bombed.
I came here, I thought हम कुछ random study ये सब के बारे में बात करने वाले, 'cause that's the recent topic, right? And then she was like, we were giving a story time.
She thought we were gonna talk about studying. Studying is gonna be the first video they will listen to you once you come back.
Asking comment section पे give
Yeah.
study tips तो मुझे लगा-
Rabia, my topper girl, 95.8%. Let's go.
This bitch thought she was not even crossing 90 by the way.
Yeah. So today we're gonna talk about how we had our ops Instagram account and we weren't
Galti
supposed to
se.
have that. Galti se, yeah?
Galti se.
Please. We didn't hack. No cyber crime was committed here. Please. Okay. This is a once in a lifetime experience. Not everyone gets to
Not everyone
experience
has this.
having their enemy's fucking Instagram account on your phone.
Yeah, it was actually me who had it,
Yeah.
because I don't know how I ended
Okay,
up with
so
it.
let me give you an intro of how we became enemies in the first place. So if you guys don't know, we were in a huge ass friend group in 11th grade, which split apart. Me and Rabia split apart as well. We weren't
we
friends
stopped talking,
anymore, and
and-
I had a different set of friends, and she had a different set of friends.
Yeah.
Continue.
So we had Devika had a different set of friends, I had a different set of friends, but my set of friends started to act up, so I had no friends anymore. So technically I had just one friend, Shreya, that was in my class, and उसके बाहर मैं किसी से बात नहीं करती थी, खाली श्रेया से बात करती थी, और क्लास में 2-3 लोग थे, उनसे बात करती थी.
And मैं और Rabia हमेशा स्कूल साथ में जाते थे, तो वो तो नहीं हो रहा था anymore. तो
Yeah. So I started going with this other girl who was close to C.
let's call her A.
Yeah, let's call her A. So we'll call her A, and she was directly connected to C and every other person that was against me, kind of something like that.
Yeah. If you
Yeah.
don't know who C is, we've already talked about how
You
a
should-
sabotaging
you have to
psychopath
go-
came into our
Yeah.
lives and how we had to deal with all this bullshit which we did not deserve. So you guys watch that video first and then jump right
Yeah,
back
watch
into
the
this
bunking video,
Yeah.
watch पिछले सारे videos,
Yeah,
and then
to
you
know
get
our friend group ka
Dynamic.
evolving.
Yeah. So in February, me and C were like pretty close, and one day I just caught her lying to me about something. So me and C were like very close. When I meant when I say we were very close, मतलब हम स्कूल के पहले एक साथ रहते थे, स्कूल के बाद एक साथ रहते थे, हर जगह एक साथ रहते थे.
Since her friends started acting out, वो थोड़ा like she started questioning all her friendships and everything like that, and धीरे धीरे we both started connecting again.
Yeah.
And like we didn't trust each other उतना, like we weren't such good friends, but we were on the way to become good friends. तो बेसिकली हमारा मिड टर्म्स था एंड राबिया बेसिकली जब भी कोई एग्जाम होता है शी डीएक्टिवेट्स हर इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट्स बिकॉज शी डजंट वांट टू गेट डिस्ट्रैक्टेड एंड एक दिन मैं और राबिया मीट पे बैठे थे एंड देन Rabia told me something that I lost my shit on. And like a side note is that this is one of the first secrets she shared with me. So tabhi I was like, okay, she's starting to trust me again. I'll do anything to, keep that trust. So tell us how you found out. Like,
Yeah, so basically midterms and as usual I always deactivate my accounts when I'm studying because मेरे से नहीं होता. I keep on scrolling on Instagram and I get distracted and
topper
shit.
tip.
So मैंने Instagram हटा दिया था and I kept my phone aside. I deactivated all my accounts and usually क्या होता है मैं इतना check नहीं करती, मैं बस हटा देती हूँ, फिर deactivate करके मैं हटा देती हूँ कि मेरे 2
मैं अपना
accounts
फोन
ही है.
यूज ही नहीं करती.
हाँ मेरे 2 अकाउंट्स ही है, तो मैंने 2 अकाउंट्स डीएक्टिवेट किए. आई ऑटोमेटिकली थॉट मेरे पास और कुछ है नहीं इंस्टाग्राम पे ऑपरेट करने के लिए, तो मैंने हटा दिया अपना फोन में बैठी हूँ. आई वाज टॉकिंग टू देविका अबाउट सम सिलेबस एंड शिट एंड आई डिड नॉट इनिशियली टेल यू, लाइक उसी दिन नहीं बताया मैंने, तेरे को बहुत दिन बाद बताया बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट नो हु टू टेल.
तभी तो start हुआ था ना
एकदम.
हमारा.
एंड देन आई गेट दिस नोटिफिकेशन ऑन माय फोन, ओके, लाइक पॉपअप फ्रॉम इंस्टाग्राम. आई थॉट देयर वाज सम वियर्ड पॉपअप बिकॉज होता है ना वो बीच में कुछ भी आता है, न्यू अपडेट या ऐसा कुछ करके, तो मैं देखने गई कि ये क्या है. And then I saw that C somehow is texting me and on Instagram, and I'm like, why is C texting me? Because like technically
Yeah.
We aren't
Fall
talking.
out.
And she's talking to me about Devika. And I'm like, why is she talking to me about Devika? Like, I just don't get it. So I click on the notification and the chat opens and I see there's like a lot of like a whole ass conversation going on over there between me and C, and I'm like,
When
where
did I have
this happen? I was like, I'm sending her reels, she's laughing on it and all of that bullshit, and I'm like, what is going on? Who is talking from my account? Who has my phone? I'm totally confused. Okay, मैं एकदम confused हूँ, मेरी गांड फट गई उधर कि क्या चल रहा है भाई इधर, मैंने तो बात भी नहीं की उससे और मैं देविका की बिचिंग क्यों कर रही हूँ ऊपर से. एक मिनट,
ये क्या हो गया?
ये कौन सा मल्टी डिसऑर्डर
Split personality disorder.
पर्सनालिटी डिसऑर्डर है. तो आई वाज लाइक फक मुझे देखना पड़ेगा मैंने और किससे बात की है. तो मैं ऐसे बैक करती हूँ एंड आई सी द अकाउंट. ओके, एंड इट्स नॉट माय अकाउंट, इट्स द अकाउंट ऑफ द गर्ल आई गो इन द ऑटो विथ. एंड आई एम लाइक, व्हेन डिड आई गेट हर अकाउंट? बिकॉज आई अचानक से मुझे याद आया उसने कभी तो लॉग इन किया था. आई थिंक शी फॉरगॉट टू लॉग आउट, या तो उसने नहीं कुछ तो उसने क्या, आज तक मुझे नोटिफिकेशन भी नहीं आया.
Magically उसका account बस
उसका
आ
account
गया.
बस था
And
मेरे
one random
पास.
day you found out.
And then one random, the randomest time of my life, I find her account and I'm like, what? और मैं इसको तो डीएक्टिवेट नहीं कर सकती ना ऑब्वियसली, और ना ही मैं लॉग आउट कर सकती हूँ कि मैंने देख लिया उसने देविका के बारे में या मेरे बारे में कितना कुछ लिखा हुआ है उधर.
Yeah, and she's
इतना-
like she's kind of like a well-known influencer as well. तो yeah, तो वो deactivate नहीं कर सकती वरना उसका पूरा ये हो जाता.
हाँ राइट. तो मैंने कुछ किया नहीं उसके अकाउंट पे. आई डिड नॉट इन्वेड हर पर्सनल स्टफ एंड शिट. आई जस्ट सॉ,
Her personal stuff just came to us.
I just
Yeah.
walked right into my
Now.
fucking lap. So I
Now,
was
for
like,
people who are like you should have logged out, please थोड़ा वीडियो से बाहर निकल जाओ.
Please.
थोड़ा, cause
I am sure अगर आपके पास अपने ऑप का
ऑप का account
आ जाए
आया
और आप बोलो कि मैं लॉग आउट कर देता हूँ और मुझे like
without even investigating.
अच्छे इंसान की तरह मुझे एक्चुअली रहने देना चाहिए. मैं I'm
Yeah.
gonna leave the account. तो I am sorry.
Yeah, even though she's done so bad, she bitches about me everywhere
you
and she
have
hates me.
survival instincts of a fucking
Yeah.
rat.
Yeah.
I'm not kidding.
Don't trust anyone.
Now I obviously got curious after seeing Devika ka
Obviously.
message. So I go back up the chat and I basically don't पूरा नहीं देखती हूँ मैं. I just search Devika and Rabia chat के अंदर and I see a lot of stuff. There's like body shaming going on. हमारा हर
Yeah.
एक YouTube वीडियो इन्होंने देखा हुआ है. उसका
Yeah,
मजाक
there's like
उड़ाया हुआ
so
है.
much body shaming. Like, so basically, मेरा एक Instagram post है. They basically share it with each other, and they were continuously body shaming me, and it's the kind of body shaming that I cannot even talk about
Yeah.
over here because
I
it's
can.
so sensitive. बता ही
Like,
दे.
they were talking like, oh my god, क्या? I don't even
Some
remember.
pointy tits and
Pointy
stuff
tits.
like that.
Yeah, pointy tits. That's how normal tits are.
Make
like-
it make sense. Make it make sense.
And the fact that they are girls and they are talking about tits like that, like it's just tits,
Yeah.
guys.
And then they thought that I edited my tits and edited my body, and they were like bitching about my body, and I was just like,
Fake ass. Yeah, I remember. Fake
yeah,
ass.
fake
and all
ass.
that.
And I was like,
And then see, okay, so I'll give you like a 2 महीने पहले की बात. She had come to me and we had talked it out. She had apologized and I was like, okay, it's fine. सब ये सब हो गया
yeah,
था.
basically जब C and इसका fallout हुआ था, C basically made it seem like Rabia is the best thing that happened to C, and she regrets the fallout so much because Rabia was the one person that C used to go to no matter what happened and stuff like that. And the truth was,
I see like a chat with her, like the girl and the girl A and C, that C has written, I regret being friends with R again.
yeah.
And I was like,
And since A
R?
and C had no friends absolutely, so it was very obvious कि वो लोग friends बन
The
जाए.
fact that उन दोनों के बीच में उतना ट्रस्ट नहीं है कि वो पूरा नाम लेके बात कर पाए. I क्या लिखा था?
Oh my god, they had nicknames for everyone in our group.
Oh my god. Everyone, by the way, they called me
R से
Ria, I think. They
Yeah,
called me Ria, I think, I don't know. They
bro.
called me Ria, they called her Diane.
Yeah, क्योंकि उनका friendship भी out of convenience है ना, because they had no one to go to, तो वो लोग आ गए हमारे पास. Diane. Oh, I make it make sense.
So obvious, by the way.
Make it make sense, and they didn't even trust each other with their own secrets. They used to
वो
just
disappearing messages
Yeah.
पे bitching करते थे.
exactly. obviously Rabia like digged into everything deeper and obviously हमने अपने अपने नाम सर्च बार पे डाले because हम इतने चैट्स तो स्क्रॉल इतना काम धंधा है हमें थोड़ा सा तो we हमने अपने अपने नाम डाले and we found out stuff that they talked about us and stuff like that and this so basically C had a whole ass chat GPT scenario. Okay, so basically C for some reason was obsessed with our exes. Okay, she was obsessed with my ex, she was obsessed with her ex, she was like obsessed with everyone's exes for some reason. Like girl take them. But so basically she made a whole ass chat yeah. She made a whole ass chat GPT scenario where our ex, so me, Rabia, and C, and people are sitting,
Okay,
and
so
our exes come up.
she literally gave ChatGPT characters. ठीक है, मेरा नाम दिया, मेरे एक्स का नाम दिया, उसका नाम दिया, उसके एक्स का नाम दिया, उस खुद का नाम दिया, and then she's made like a full
A
ass story
scenario
and a
where
scenario.
I remember the story. So basically हम बैठे हैं C के साथ and बहुत सारे लोग बैठे हैं and our both of our exes walk in together come and we both stand up कि oh our exes are here but they are like sit down we are not here for you we are here for C. Guys, do you ऐसे ऐसे लोग भी होते हैं guys. If you haven't experienced them, let me tell you ऐसे लोग भी होते हैं. And she she was talking to both of our exes and flirting or whatever. I have no idea. तो वो सब कर रहे थे. I mean, I do have an idea because I saw the chats. तो
So basically, Devika, being the bitch she is, she texted her ex happy birthday on his birthday, which was completely unnecessary. And so her ex makes like a group called Happy Birthday and adds C to it. Okay.
Yeah.
Now these guys are bitching about Devika and calling her
5 to 6 people that I don't even know, by the way.
5 to 6 people, okay, like including C and M, and like there are like other people, and they're talking about. I don't know if the other people were talking about you, but I think there was a conversation between M and C and MC.
Yeah, C writes, oh my god, bro, your ex literally destroyed my life. Right, showed other people your truth. That's how I destroyed your life. Destroyed
And
my
they were
life. She's such
calling
a
her
bitch.
and calling you like the rebel
Kid of Thane. And that's when I didn't even have like 1K followers. Like I didn't have no one watched me tabhi, and
Yeah.
I didn't have like
Devika was a
itne
loser tab.
Yeah.
So.
yeah itne ye so and then we go to C's private account because obviously we don't follow her. Obviously keep your friends closer but enemies much more closer. So she had a whole has highlight where she talks about me and Rabia. She basically portrays me as this bitch who literally ruined her life because I told everyone how C is as a person and whatever C told me. Like वो previous videos से आपको दिख गया होगा. And basically in her highlight she basically portrayed Rabia as this controlling friend who did not let C do anything on her own.
No.
Girl is a year older than us, by the way.
To a point where they started talking about shit like Rabia should have
Stayed in science integrated. Yeah, and then goes on sending reels to Rabia and apologizing to Rabia that oh my god, you were the best thing that ever happened to me. Please, please, please. And you guys know, you guys have seen the screenshots in the previous video. So we were just like, what is even going on? Honestly, हमें कुछ hurt तो हुआ नहीं because we didn't expect anything from them. Getting their Instagram account was like God was on our side. God was on our side
it used
indeed.
to be so funny. हम स्कूल जाते थे रोज वो हमारे आके कहती oh my god you look so pretty अरे तेरा ये कितना मस्त है
like
तेरी
we saw your
कितनी
YouTube
मस्त है.
video.
And I'm like
And then it's because they didn't know we knew. They didn't know we know.
bitch you just talked about me like 5 minutes ago on your account. I just
Yeah.
saw and you're like coming to me on my face and
Yeah,
you're like
and
oh
you
my
know,
god.
one time in class, so basically they talked about my body and stuff like that. So basically they some white dot, red dot, कुछ तो वो लोग बात कर रहे थे मेरे बारे में. And then in class I was sitting and C was sitting here, A was sitting here. Unfortunately, both of them were in my class. And वो दोनों कुछ तो dot के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. I laughed my ass off because I understood, but they didn't know that I understood. I was like, yeah, you're talking about me, and it was just so funny.
It's so funny because we knew all their inside jokes, and whenever they used to try to like sneak it in front
Yeah.
of us, we used to understand what they're talking about. It was so funny.
Yup.
मुझे याद है बहुत अच्छे से कि हम क्लास में होते थे. I remember I was with Shreya in the washroom one day and I was showing her the chats कि देखो क्या बोल रहे हैं वो. And then they literally walk in while I'm showing her the chats and I'm like shit देखा.
ऑब्वियसली हम लोग लाइक हर बार उसका अकाउंट नहीं रखेंगे बिकॉज वो देख सकती है, तो बेसिकली हमने
Yeah.
एक बार ही अपना पूरा रिसर्च कर लिया, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिए जो हमारे अगेंस्ट था, एंड वी लॉग्ड आउट ऑफ द अकाउंट, यू नो, लाइक good people who are done with their investigation. And also because like after like surfing through their account, I was just so disgusted by them as people.
Yeah.
Like I was so disgusted, oh my god.
But
like
occasionally I used to like log in and check क्या हो रहा है
इतनी
ये
घिन
वो.
आती थी ना मेरे को भाई.
तो फिर उसके बाद ना they they knew that we somehow found about them उनकी
या बिकॉज
information.
बेसिकली अब ना हमें इनफ प्रूफ मिल गया था, ठीक है. अब हमारी बारी थी इनसाइड जोक्स बनाने. हम ऐसे जोक्स बनाते थे ताकि उनको समझ में आए कि हमें पता है, बट उनको ये नहीं पता कि हमें कैसे पता है.
Exactly. One day something happened that they kind of like उनको शक हो गया कि like किसी को तो हमारी अंदर की इंफॉर्मेशन पता चल रही है, पता नहीं कैसे पता चल रही है. तो सी ने अपना ऐसे अकाउंट का ये चेक किया कि oh my god does somebody have my account या ऐसा कुछ. And A is so dumb. I don't know why. I'm literally looking at C panicking and like somebody has my account. I think somebody has my account. And A is like she's clueless. She's like, oh okay, just check, and she's not checking herself. मतलब ऐसा होता है ना कि अगर किसी सामने वाले ने बोला है कि मेरा अकाउंट हो सकता है किसी के पास, तो तुम अपना भी चेक करोगे ना जाके कि अगर गलती से अगर मैंने लॉग इन कर लिया.
और
या
हमारे इनसाइड जोक्स एक टाइम के बाद बहुत क्लियर बन गए थे दैट वी नो व्हाट दे बिच अबाउट
कि
अस.
अब स्कूल में जो भी शिट टॉक कर रहा है, स्कूल में जो भी हमारे बारे में बुरा बोल रहा है, मुझे सब पता था.
या बिकॉज एवरीवन वाज कनेक्टेड टू दैट वन गर्ल.
One girl, she used to talk to everybody for some reason, and सब पता नहीं क्यों
she
इतना
just
hate
used to
करती
talk
थी.
about bitching for some reason, like
Yeah, and
serious.
all they talked about, half the conversation was about hating people.
Yeah,
and
it's like उनका फ्रेंडशिप बस उस चीज से चल रहा है कि
हाँ,
उन्होंने
exactly. And they used to talk so like इतना ज़्यादा बात करते थे देविका के बारे में. At a point, I used to feel like they know her more than I do. 'Cause
Yeah.
हर एक मूव, हर एक चाल, कोई भी स्टोरी हो, कोई भी कुछ हो, and she literally blocked both of them from all their accounts, and somehow they still found ways to like go and check कि वो क्या डाल रही है, वो
Yeah.
क्या कर रही है, वो. It was so bad that she had to block them YouTube से also.
Yeah.
It was that bad.
Yeah, because they were commenting on my YouTube videos like we are best of friends, like quite literally.
Yeah, exactly. And I was like, what the fuck is going on? Because like, I just don't get it. Because I was so shocked that people can be so
Yeah, that
fake
is where
and
I
so-
learned my lesson. No, कि you never know
This
how a
is
person
actually
is.
one unique experience that I've
Yeah.
never had in my life ever.
Yeah.
मेरे साथ ये ऐसा कभी I've never had such horrible friends.
Yeah.
I've never experienced इस level का
Disgust from someone.
Yeah, like I was so
Like pure
I was
loathe and
I
pure
was
hate.
I was like, मेरे को आके ये लोग क्लास में अपने सीक्रेट्स बता रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, they're trusting me with their secrets and they're bitching about me behind my back. I'm like, what is going on?
Yeah.
तुम मुझे अपने सीक्रेट्स बता रहे हो, but you're still hating on me
Yeah.
behind my back. Do you know how that can affect you? मैं किसी को भी जाके तुम्हारे बारे में बोल सकती हूँ, किसी को भी कुछ भी बोल
Yeah,
सकती हूँ
because at
तुम्हारे
this
बारे में.
point we just don't care about them. Like we don't care about them. After
Yeah.
reading the chats, I was just so disgusted. I was like, okay, fine, good decision that I cut them off. They are
So-
out of my life, and I don't give a shit about them.
After like 8 months of me actually having her account, A realizes that somebody has her account. And I see her panicking and texting people कि ये तेरा फ़ोन है क्या, ये तेरा फ़ोन है क्या, ये OnePlus किसका है, ये OnePlus किसका है, ये OnePlus किसका है. And she's asking people. She's not removing it instantly. She's literally going around asking everybody कि ये तेरा है क्या, ये तेरा है क्या, ये तेरा है क्या. रिमूव कर देना भाई.
Yeah.
तो मैंने खुद ही लॉग आउट कर दिया कि इससे तो होगा नहीं, मैं ही कर देती हूँ, एक काम करती हूँ. तो मैंने लॉग आउट कर दिया, forget password ये सब कर दिया. और फिर
उसको realize
उसको
होता है.
रियलाइज होता है कि ओ अब मुझे पता है कि किसके पास मेरा अकाउंट है. तो मुझे 5-6 दिन बाद कॉल करके बोलती है कि राबिया डिड यू हैव माय अकाउंट. पहले मैंने सोचा मैं झूठ बोलूँ क्या कि नहीं मेरे पास नहीं था, क्या बात कर रही है. तो फिर
वो मान भी लेती हूँ यार इस पॉइंट को.
हाँ पर मैंने बोला झूठ बोल के क्या फ़ायदा. मैंने बोला हाँ तो उसने बोला कि व्हाई डिड यू हैव माय अकाउंट. मैंने बोला तूने लॉग इन किया था, फिर तूने लॉग आउट नहीं किया, वो
Yeah.
मेरी गलती नहीं है. तो फिर उसने बोला कि वाई यू इन्वेडिंग माई पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन, या तो मेरे चार्ट्स को क्यों देख रही है. मैंने बोला प्रूफ क्या है तेरे पास.
Yeah.
बोली तेरे पास स्क्रीनशॉट्स है. मैंने बोला तेरे पास प्रूफ क्या है कि मेरे पास स्क्रीनशॉट्स है.
Yeah.
फिर उसने बोला कि तू मेरे पर्सनल स्पेस को ये नहीं कर सकती, इट्स अ क्राइम, आई एम गोना सू यू फॉर इट, आई एम गोना टेक यू, आई डोंट थिंक टेक यू टू कोर्ट बोला था, बट आई थिंक शी वाज लाइक आई विल सू यू फॉर दिस. एंड आई वाज लाइक
Like it's the irony that she
First of all-
logged in राबिया के फोन से. Okay, she forgot to log out. हमें पता भी नहीं था. हमने एक बार देखा, हमने छोड़ दिया, हमने उसको जाने दिया. And and now we go to court.
fact that I was like, कहाँ से, I don't know, I'm not sure ये कहाँ से आ रहा है. मैंने तेरे
Instead of
account के अंदर
apologizing, the audacity of them to be like, oh my god, तुमने मेरे privacy पे ये किया.
This is very funny. Okay, this gets really funny after इधर से. Now वो मुझे बोल रहे, तो मैंने बोला खाली मैंने नहीं देखा, सबने देखा है, देविका ने भी देखा है, ये भी देखा है. So she thought I was saying Devika also has her account, and she was like, देविका के पास भी मेरा अकाउंट था.
हमने हाँ बोल दिया. हाँ
भाई
चल,
था.
let's confuse the enemy.
I was like, हाँ भाई था, देविका के पास तेरा अकाउंट था, ये वो कंफ्यूज कर दिया उसको पूरा. मैंने तुझसे
remember.
हम मंडे बात ही करने वाली थे. शी लाइक मुझे तुमसे कोई बात नहीं करनी. आई डोंट वांट टू गिव यू एनी जस्टिफिकेशन फॉर व्हाट आई हैव सेड. व्हाट आई हैव डन इज इन माय ओन पर्सनल प्राइवेट चैट. यू हैव नो राइट over it. ये वो I was like, you're talking about me, why don't I have a right to see what
Yeah,
you're
and we're not
talking
gonna
about?
expose you to the freaking internet. I think we are, हम लोग बहुत ये है कि
She was so worried कि उसके माँ बाप को पता चल जाएगा.
Yeah.
ये वो she was
And then-
only worried about that.
Yeah.
उसको और किसी से कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. मतलब उसको you know there's this हद होती है, ठीक है, कि
I agree.
उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि लोग उसके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं. उसके
I
बस उसको उससे ही फर्क पड़ता है कि
agree.
उसके
उसके-
माँ बाप को नहीं पता
क्योंकि
चले.
उसके मॉम डैड उसको फिर ग्राउंड कर देंगे and she doesn't have anyone. तो I remember that you added me to the call and I think that was the angriest that I've ever been. Like, do you remember? Like, I was so angry.
Yeah, I added Devika. I was like, मेरे से बात नहीं हो रहा भाई. मैं I don't know how to conversate with people. I honestly don't know how to argue with people. ठीक है, in general.
Yeah.
Like I cannot. If I don't feel like, I cannot argue with you. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you're dumb
Call
and you're
me.
fucking stupid.
Call
And
me.
you're like trying to argue with me on something, I just can't. So I called Devika. I was like, please talk to her. She's getting on my nerves.
And that was the angriest I've ever been because
उसको
you
गाली
ain't gonna
दे रही है.
disrespect my Rabia like that.
No. She उसको गाली दे रही है कि मैं तेरे घर के नीचे आती हूँ, चल तेरे को बात करनी है ना, तेरे को माँ बाप को कंप्लेन करके दिखा, तू करके दिखा.
Because literally make it make sense कि तूने उसके फोन से अपना अकाउंट लॉग इन किया, हमने एक बार देखा छोड़ दिया ना, हमने किसी को स्क्रीनशॉट्स रिवील किए ना, हमने कुछ किया. हम चुपचाप तुझसे बात करने आए थे, तुझे कन्फ्रंट करने आए
एंड
थे.
द फैक्ट दैट उसने खाली हमारे बारे में नहीं, स्कूल में सबके बारे
एग्जैक्ट.
में
एंड हमने किसी को नहीं बोला, बाय द वे.
सबके, लाइक even if they're flirting with someone, they're bitching about them to like C and A. ये जो दो लोग थे, ये
लड़कों के सिवा उनकी कोई कॉन्वर्सेशन थी
लड़कों
नहीं
को तो छोड़ो,
ब्रो.
वो उन्होंने अपने दोस्तों को भी नहीं छोड़ा. जिन चुने
God,
लोगों से
I
वो बात करते थे,
remember. Oh
उनको भी नहीं छोड़ा.
God.
एक दूसरे के बारे में भी उल्टा सीधा बोल रहे हैं, फिर दूसरे लोगों के बारे में भी उल्टा सीधा बोल रहे हैं.
Yeah.
किसी के साथ फ्लर्ट कर रहे हैं, उसके साथ भी उल्टा सीधा. किसी को आई लव यू बोल रहे हैं, उनके बारे में भी उल्टा सीधा बोल रहे हैं. I'm like, what the fuck is going on?
Yeah, and then this girl C literally managed to make out with one of our exes and then come to us with a straight face and be like, let's be friends, let's do this, let's do that. Yep.
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 And then
तो फिर
so
A ना
A
बहुत
had to
ज़्यादा
do
डर गई.
something about it. Okay, like she was so scared. She was like, मम्मी को तो नहीं पता चलना चाहिए, पापा को भी तो नहीं पता चलना चाहिए, because
Yeah.
her parents are very strict. Okay, and like they would ground her for life.
And
if
the
they
fact that
found out.
me and Rabia actually understand that and going to her parents was never our intention. Like we would never
Yeah.
do that.
we wouldn't, because I also have strict parents. It would be a horrible thing if मेरे माँ बाप के पास आके किसी ने कुछ ऐसा बोला और जिसकी वजह से मुझे झूठ बोलना पड़ेगा, मुझे ऐसा कुछ करना पड़े कि मतलब I betray someone else.
True.
In that position. And I
Exactly.
hate doing that. तो
पर ए की तो फट गई थी, तो उसके दिमाग में कुछ आ नहीं रहा था, उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा था, तो ए और सी ने साथ में एक प्लान बनाया. The only way जिससे लाइक हमें फर्क पड़ेगा, because when it comes to me and Rabia, all roads lead back to the principal's office.
this was like,
This is so you stupid.
imagine, ma'am, she called me a bitch. I'm gonna go complain to you because she called me a bitch.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
तो बेसिकली हम ना अपना क्लास अटेंड कर रहे होते हैं and we are so oblivious to the idea कि they are going to go to the principal office for what? Like हमें समझा ही नहीं, हमें आना चाहिए, हमें बोलना चाहिए, oh by the way they bitched about every single one of the teachers as well.
टीचर्स, दूसरी लोगों की मम्मियाँ, उन मम्मियाँ को भी नहीं
मेरी
छोड़ा
मम्मी
उन्होंने.
को भी नहीं छोड़ा भाई, मेरी मम्मी को तो सबसे ज्यादा तोड़ा भाई.
उन्होंने श्रेया की मम्मी के बारे में भी क्या पता नहीं, कुछ तो एलियन
Exactly.
क्या पता नहीं. उल्टा
So we
सीधा
were
बोल रहे
mature
थे।
enough to know that you don't deal with people who run by hatred. उनको hatred के सिवा कुछ आता ही
तो
नहीं
we
है
just
करना.
wanted to confront them Monday को जाके कि like तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया।
Yeah.
Instead of giving us a chance to confront them, these girls, they are standing on the staircase like above the principal's office, and they're looking at us, right at us, okay, like lunch break का time
Like we'll
था।
get scared.
Yeah, lunch break का time था, and I remember they were like discussing stair पे खड़े होके कि contemplating if they should go or not, or if it would backfire on them or not, and they're literally trying to form कि हम कैसे बताएंगे, क्या करेंगे,
Yeah.
किसको फंसाएंगे, ये वो। एंड मैं लंच ब्रेक में ऐसे खड़ी होकर देख रही हूँ कि हाँ इनका चल रहा है, इनका चल रहा है, कुछ तो पक्का हमें नीचे बुलाने वाले हैं
Yeah.
5-10 मिनट में, मुझे पता ही था होगा ही होगा। किस ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता कि दूसरा टर्म चालू हो गया हमारे
और हम इतने सेफ घूम रहे हैं.
हाँ मतलब हम फंसे नहीं कोई प्रॉब्लम में,
Oh
ऐसे तो हो ही नहीं
God.
सकता ना। तो आई वाज लाइक कि पक्का मुझे तो बुलाएंगे, क्योंकि अकाउंट तो मेरे पास था। तो मुझे तो पहले लगा कि कभी मुझे बुलाने वाले हैं, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली अकाउंट मेरे पास था, सपोज टू बी मी हु वाज
दोस्त को कभी अकेले फंसने मत दो, समझा?
मैं क्लास
फंस जाओ.
तो माय पी टीचर शी कम्स इन द क्लासरूम एंड शी इज लाइक राभा यू आर बीइंग कॉल्ड नीचे, एंड ऑल ऑफ माय लाइक फ्रेंड्स एंड ऑल ऑफ माय क्लासमेट्स आर लाइक लिटरली लुकिंग एट मी लाइक क्या हो गया, क्या हो गया, क्या हो गया। एंड देन मेरे जो ऑप्स थे क्लास में वो भी देख रहे हैं अब तो बैंड बजेगी इसकी, अब तो बैंड बजेगी इसकी, ये वो खुश हो रहे हैं वो देख के कि हाँ भाई अब तो इसकी बैंड बज गई। तो मैं ऐसे लाइक फक अब तो जाना पड़ेगा, अब क्या करूँगी मैं। तो मैं सोच रही हूँ मैं क्या बोलूँ नीचे जाकर, मैं कैसे सफाई दूँ मैं, ये वो। तो आई वाज लाइक कि ठीक है अब जो हो गया वो हो गया। मेरी मॉम को पता था कि आई हैड द अकाउंट्स, इट वाज नॉट
मेरी मॉम को भी पता था.
इट वाज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम कि मम्मी को भी बुलाते, तो मेरी मम्मी मुझे सपोर्ट ही करती उधर। तो आई वाज लाइक ठीक है चलो चले ही जाते, क्या हो जाएगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा। तो मैं बाहर निकलती हूँ क्लासरूम से, आई लुक एट माई लेफ्ट एंड आई सी देविका एंड सानवी टुगेदर। चलो थैंक गॉड अकेले तो नहीं हो,
कोई तो होगा अब बोलने
कोई तो
के लिए,
होगा।
अब मैं समझा दूंगी भाई, नो
तो आई
टेंशन.
वाज लाइक थैंक गॉड, ओ माय गॉड आई फील सो मच बेटर नाउ कि अकेले नहीं फंस रही थी, मैं संग में फंस रही थी। तो अब मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा था कि चलो अब देखा जाएगा जो होगा। तो हम नीचे गए एंड फिर उसके बाद
ऐसे सिचुएशन में पता नहीं मेरी हंसी रुकती नहीं है भाई.
ओ माय गॉड हम नीचे गए एंड उधर वाइस प्रिंसिपल मैम दोनों बैठे हैं, एंड देन शी आस्क्स मी किसके पास अकाउंट था। तो आई रेज माय हैंड ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज़ आई हैड द अकाउंट एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड देन
I am the problem.
yeah, so she was like, why did you do it? I was like, I didn't have
Do
to do an
what?
account.
Exactly.
Like, she logged in, she forgot to log out, it's not my responsibility, her fault. Right?
Exactly.
So she was like कि आपने क्यों रखा उसका अकाउंट, आपको लॉग आउट कर देना चाहिए अच्छे इंसान की तरह। तो I was like, ma'am, I explained to her how I got to know that I had her account. I saw something and it was as a human tendency, curiosity कि क्या बात हो रही है। मैंने देखा और कुछ मैंने किया नहीं, ना ही किसी को मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट भेजा, ना ही उसके अकाउंट पे मैंने कोई एक्टिविटी की, ना ही मैंने उसको एक्सपोज किया, ना ही उसके अकाउंट को मैंने कोई डैमेज दिया,
हमने कुछ बात भी
या
नहीं
ऐसा
की,
कुछ, ना
हाँ।
ही उसके अकाउंट से हमने किसी से बात की, क्या किसी को कैटफिश किया, कुछ नहीं किया।
अपना काम करके हम चले गए.
निकल गए हम उधर से। एंड आई एक्सप्लेन टू हर कि अगर कोई मेरे दोस्त के बारे में या मेरे बारे में चलो कोई हमारे बारे में बिच कर रहा है या कुछ उल्टा सीधा बोल रहा है, तो ऑब्वियसली एज अ ह्यूमन it's a tendency that I will want to know what's going on.
And
Because
mind
they are
you-
coming to me and being looking like they're coming to me and being my friends and being all
Exactly.
lovey and dovey in front of me.
Exactly.
तो मैंने ऐसे से बोला मैम को,
And mind you, for the first time, they actually understood us.
Yeah,
Our
and
principal and vice
the
principal
vice principal
understood
ma'am,
us.
the principal ma'am, she was sitting there and she was nodding her head and she was listening to me instead of shouting at me, and I was like, thank you
Thank
so
God.
much.
Yeah.
So she was listening to me and she was nodding her head and everything, and I was like, ki, acha, theek hai, she's listening now, thank God. And then she was like, what did they talk about? So these two bitches standing right there, they're literally like, ki ma'am, whatever we talk about is our personal matter. We are talking to each other. It's a conversation between both of us. They shouldn't be bothered, or they shouldn't care if what
Oh my
we're
God, I
talking
remember
about.
this one thing. This girl A then starts saying कि we were talking about how these guys vape and smoke, and I was like,
हाँ, and then I was like, मैंने आज तक वेप नहीं छुआ अपने जिंदगी में।
ना
पहली
मैंने
बात
सिगरेट छुआ है, ना मैंने वेप छुआ है, क्या बात कर रहे हो आप?
नहीं, मैं एक बार छुआ है वेप, बट उसके बाद मैंने आज तक हाथ भी नहीं लगाया। मैंने आज तक ना ही मैंने सिगरेट फूका है, और उस समय तो ना ही मैंने अल्कोहल पिया था, honestly
ना ही मैं वो
speaking.
सब करना
ना ही मैं रात
चाहूंगी.
को स्नीक आउट कर पाती हूँ, क्योंकि मेरे माँ बाप मुझे अलाउ करते ही
या
नहीं है।
हाँ, रात को स्नीक आउट करके ये लोग वेप और सिगरेट फूक रहे हैं.
I was like ये कब हुआ भाई, मेरे को तो याद नहीं भाई,
Yeah,
मैं
bad
तो आज
girls.
तक नहीं गई
Bad
भाई।
girls, हाँ?
तो
Very
I was
bad
like-
girls.
I was like that's none of your business, अगर मैं
हाँ,
कर
मैं
भी
कर
रही हूँ तो that's none of your business if my mother and father are okay with it.
Right.
What is wrong with
I
you?
remember when she said that, मैं भड़क गई उस पे तो या क्या नहीं, मैं तू बता तू क्या करेंगी उसका, and then my vice principal was like आराम से
शांत जाओ तुम लोग।
आराम से
Okay, so now everybody is confused because there's like full chaos going on. सब कुत्ते बिल्ली जैसे लड़ रहे हैं कि तू बहन की लौड़ी, तू बहन की लौड़ी, तू बहन की लौड़ी, सब ये कर रहे जा रहे हैं। Obviously गाली नहीं दे
और
रहे थे,
हमारी प्रिंसिपल वाइस प्रिंसिपल
ऐसे बस देख रहे हैं कि क्या चालू है ये वो ठीक है। तो फिर
गॉड
दे लाइक कि हाँ हमारे पर्सनल कन्वर्सेशन है, हम उनके बारे में जो भी बोले हम अभी अपने बीच में बात कर रहे हैं, उनको क्या फर्क पड़ता है। वैसे ऑब्वियसली मुझे फर्क पड़ता है, तुम मेरे बारे में बात कर रहे हो, मैं क्यों नहीं बीच में घुसूँ भाई, तुम मेरे बारे में बात करोगे। एंड फिर उसके बाद मैम ने हमें शांत करवाया एंड देन प्रिंसिपल मैम वाज लाइक कि तुमने लिखने में क्यों दिया, लाइक तुम जो भी मुंह पे बोलो एक दूसरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता, व्हाई हैव यू
Yeah.
acknowledged it and written it on like media। फिर वो she was
don't
explaining
let
how-
anyone know.
Yeah, she was like explaining how blueprints and ये सब रह जाता है, it's not safe
If you
to
want to
talk
hate
about.
on someone, know how to hate on someone before you hate on someone, because what
Yeah.
the hell were you doing?
Yeah, exactly. And she was like, she literally said, why are you so obsessed with Devika and her life?
Yeah, I remember my vice
कोई की
principal.
queen है क्या? कुछ तो ऐसा कुछ तो
my
बोला।
vice principal said that, oh my god, she's so pretty. तेरा क्या problem है? तेरे को क्या problem है? Why are you so obsessed? And I was just like, boy, why are you so
The
obsessed
fact
with
that
me?
उनके ऊपर पूरा गेम ही पलट गया था, पूरी जज्बात बदल दी थी उनके ऊपर, उनको लगा हमारी गांड मारेंगे वो।
गार्ड तो उनकी मरी।
वो उधर कुछ
मैं राबिया were literally looking at each other and laughing at a point of time. We were just like, चलो भाई.
नहीं, क्या चालू है भाई, क्या
It was so stupid.
It was so stupid that
Why would you go to the
went
principal? Like,
and
please
then,
help.
and then okay, so Devika pulled this amazing wild card entry by crying. वो रो रही है उधर, ठीक है। आई एम श्योर उसको घंटा फर्क पड़ रहा था, उसको एक चुल्लू भर पानी की भी फर्क नहीं पड़ती उसके बारे में, जो भी उसके बारे में बात करता है। वो उधर रोने लग गई एंड मैं नीचे देख रही हूँ, मैं लिटरली मैं नीचे देख रही हूँ कि मैम कुछ बोल रही है एंड देन आई हियर and I'm like, what the fuck? And I look at her and I'm like, she's literally top आंसू गिरा रही है and she's like, ma'am, they have been so much about me, they've talked about my body and it's made me feel so
Yeah,
insecure.
because she was crying and I was like, if this bitch is
You know
crying,
what reason she gave? She was like, ma'am, I was in a very dark space because my friend group had
Yeah.
fallen apart. तो मुझे क्यों
and she
बोला?
started crying, and I hate when wrong people get sympathy just because they start crying, and I hate that. तो मैं भी रोने लग गई. अच्छा,
वो बोलती है कि I was in a very dark space, तो इसको क्यों तोड़ा भाई, इसने क्या किया?
तो मुझे बॉडी शेम कर दो. अगर डार्क स्पेस, अगर किसी को भी डिप्रेशन से बाहर आना है, बॉडी शेम करो मुझे. आ जाओ.
एंड देविका फुल ऐसे रो रही है एकदम, बहुत बुरा हो गया है मेरे साथ, बहुत बुरा हो गया है, मैं अब कोई पोस्ट नहीं कर पाती मैम, मुझे सच बुरा लगता है। एंड मैं उसको देख रही, सानवी और मैं दोनों उसको ऐसे देख रहे कि क्या चालू है भाई, ये कि क्या चालू है। तो फिर मैम ने अपनी गोल्डन वर्ड्स उगले, लाओ मुझे स्क्रीनशॉट दिखा।
So basically, Rabia has this bio on her
This
Instagram
is
that I
what-
love so much. Ki there are two sides of the stories, and then there are screenshots.
I am literally the screenshot queen of
Oh
my group.
go through Rabia's gallery.
I
Only
have screenshots. I literally only have screenshots in my gallery.
Oh God.
The girl A, she's like कि मैम मैंने तो कुछ नहीं बोला, ये लोग पता नहीं क्या बोल रहे हैं, ये वो
Yeah.
ऐसा हमने ऐसा उतना भी
सी के
कुछ
सामने ए ने पूरा नाम सी पे डाल दिया कि मैंने तो कुछ नहीं बोला.
फिर उसके बाद मैम ने स्क्रीनशॉट दिखाने बोला, तो ऑब्वियसली मुझे लगा कि मैं उनको एक फोटो दिखाऊंगी और वो संतुष्ट हो जाएंगे, उससे उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा कि हाँ ये बुरा तो उन्होंने बोला है ऐसे करके। तो आई शोड हर वन स्क्रीनशॉट and I thought she would give my phone back to me after seeing that one screenshot. She starts scrolling on my phone. And I'm like, shit, this is not good. 'Cause there were diabolical screenshots after that. She saw that. The vice principal saw that. Okay, like she saw that with her own eyes. And I'm looking at what she's looking at. Okay, like she's literally scrolling by it.
She
and she's
सीधा looked at the bullseye screenshots. मतलब जो ऐसा सीधा targeted screenshots. Oh my God.
And wait. So she's like scrolling through it, and I'm looking at the phone, and I'm like,
Yeah, because they
And
even had dreams about our exes, bro.
Yeah, they were talking
Make our
about all
dreams
of
about our
that.
exes. Holy
I don't know,
shit.
something they were talking about.
ये
And
कैसा
then,
kink है बहन?
and then I was like, I look at Devika and Sanvi and I go, and then they're confused because they don't know what's going on. Because I am the only one in the room who, and along with the vice principal, who knows what's going on. And I'm like, shit, she knows. And she's like, she hands the phone to me and she's like, delete these. And I'm like,
Okay.
okay. I just delete everything as soon as I can after showing it to the principal, ma'am, obviously. And ma'am is like, why are you so obsessed with them? Why are you talking about them so frequently? Because these guys have talked about
Every day.
single thing.
And
Every
every
single
day.
thing. Every single thing. Everything we do. Every story we put. Every word we say.
Every
everything,
YouTube video में
everything.
every word.
They have shared each
Holy
other. Oh my god,
shit.
new video drop देखना है क्या एक साथ? भाई मेरे और इसके haters हमें इतना support करते हैं ना. I'm really grateful. I hope these people are still watching our videos and still,
Oh, I'm
you know,
sure they are.
please watch it. Make fun of it. I don't care. Just watch it. Just give
Any
me
press
views.
is good press. Always remember that.
Yeah. And I was like, what's going on? And I'm like, frick, ये तो बहुत बुरा हो गया because अब उनको पता चल गया कुछ ज़्यादा ही. जो मुझे नहीं बताना था उनको वो भी पता चल गया. तो मुझे ऐसे देख रही है कि एंड देन फिर उन्होंने मुझे बोला ये सब पर्सनल चीज़ें नहीं रखनी चाहिए किसी की. मैंने बोला सॉरी
And then we understood our mistake और हमने अपना delete कर दिया. हम ऐसा नहीं बोल
I
रहे
don't
that
have
we
it
are
anymore.
innocent here
Yeah, I'm
or
not
anything
innocent
like
here.
that. We were just protecting each other, and if I would go back, I would do the same things that I did again.
Yeah, exactly. So I was like, fine, ma'am, I'll delete it. I deleted everything in front of her, and I don't have them anymore. I just have screenshots of them bitching about us.
Yeah.
That's it. And yeah, so moral of the story.
Never trust anyone.
Yeah.
Never trust anyone, and trust your gut instinct, because I did not like both of them from the first day of school, but yet I was like, let me give them a chance.
Anyways, मेरे पास option नहीं था तो
Yeah, you never know a person fully, and ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं. We just want to tell you that.
और भी कितनी horrendous चीजें थी उधर सब
Oh God,
सब
yeah.
उनके सामने हो गया.
The information that we're giving you is not even, it's just the 0.5% of what we can put out.
And
The
then
other
I
is
remember
just so bad.
A was like telling मैम कि तो उसको गाली दे रही थी कॉल पे and धमकी दे
Yeah.
रही थी कि तो घर पहुंच जाएगी ये वो and Devika cut short denied it. She was like, she absolutely denied it in front of the principal. She was like, नहीं मैंने तो ऐसा कभी नहीं बोला. क्या प्रूफ है तेरे पास? मैंने तो ऐसा कभी नहीं बोला. नहीं मैं गाली देती नहीं मैम. क्या बात कर रही है ये? मैंने तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं बोला. मैंने तो ये कभी नहीं बोला. मैं क्यों धमकी दूंगी तुझे? तुझे मुझे धमकी देनी चाहिए. मैं तुझे क्यों धमकी दूंगी? And फिर वो उधर एकदम she's looking all stupid and shit and she's standing there and she's so confused what's going on.
And they think they ate with that.
Bro, they went down इतने sass में कि अब तो हम
Yeah, they were side-eyeing us the entire time, and I was like, this is so useless. This just shows that you are more dumber than I thought you were.
the fact that वो उधर गए उनको लगा हमारी बेइज्जती होगी उनकी बेइज्जती हो गई फिर उन्होंने she literally told the principal that ma'am they were इन्होंने हमें धमकी दी कि मम्मा पापा को बता देंगे my only concern is that my mom should know.
Yeah.
I was like,
And you know, Rabia, the worst.
you don't care. तूने इतना कुछ बोला उसके लिए माफी भी नहीं कुछ नहीं.
Exactly.
She's okay with it. She's like I don't care if you know that I talked about you. She has literally no shame. कोई लज्जा कोई कुछ नहीं है.
And इसीलिए ना जब हमने screenshots देखा, we weren't surprised because we knew that these are those kind of people. And the worst part is that जब हमारे principal और vice principal ने भी वो screenshots देखे, they were not surprised at all because they knew exactly how these people are.
Our vice principal going like कि oh my god what is this? This is so childish.
She did.
and
Exactly.
immature.
Because वो vice principal को पता है A कैसी है already.
We also showed her the video of her bitching
her
about
bitching,
us
yeah.
on the story and she was literally like they are such bitches, like she literally went bitches in that and my mom and then the vice principal was watching this video and she literally was what is wrong with you?
I remember that. I remember
I literally
that.
started laughing in front of them, right? I couldn't stop laughing, bro. I was literally laughing there.
God.
मैं पहली बार प्रिंसिपल के केबिन में खुश थी.
I know.
मैं बहुत खुश थी भाई उधर.
Yeah, I know.
मेरे को
Best day of my life.
At this point मुझे मेरे माँ बाप को भी बुलाते ना मुझे फर्क नहीं
Yeah, because
पड़ने
हमने
वाला
अपने
था.
moms को पहले ही बोल दिया था कि this
I told
happened.
my mom everything
Everything, same.
A to Z.
Same day पे
Whatever
बोल
has
दिया
happened
था.
in my life, A to Z. I have I told her
And then I
everything.
remember-
मैंने जो भी कांड किए जो उनको पता भी नहीं था मैंने सब बता दिया
Same,
उनको
my
उस
mom
दिन।
knows everything as well.
अब मेरी
तो
mom
जो
को सब
लोग
पता
पूछ
है।
रहे हैं ना कि आपकी मम्मी आपके YouTube वीडियोस नहीं देखती, देखते हैं,
मेरी
पर
मम्मी
उनको
सब
पहले
कुछ
से ही
देखती
पता है,
है।
और उनको 95% जो आप लोगों को नहीं पता वो भी पता है उन लोगों को.
Exactly, she knows everything now and I have nothing to be scared about.
Exactly.
कोई भी मेरी पीछे से आके गांड नहीं मार सकता अब तुम्हें सामने से कोशिश करनी पड़ेगी।
Oh God, I swear, bro.
अब मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता honestly
True,
speaking.
true.
Let me tell you, nobody can hold power or have power on you for anything if your parents know everything about
True.
you. If your
True.
parents know A to Z, at least just one
True.
parent, कोई एक इंसान
True.
को पता तुम्हारे सब कुछ जो भी तुमने किया है लाइफ में, जो भी तुमने कांड कर्म कुछ भी किया है, सब एक पेरेंट को तो बताओ।
True.
क्योंकि when
And we are
one-
grateful enough to have एक
Yeah,
parent at
yeah,
least जो समझता है.
At least if one parent knows, you are safe.
Yeah.
And nothing can go wrong.
And please don't be A or C in your life कि
Yeah,
कि you just run on hating people, क्योंकि कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला. Because honestly I genuinely believe कि if a person hates on you they hate themselves.
Same.
I
It's
will
just because
never
they're
ever
so
change my belief.
insecure about themselves
Yeah.
that they hate on everybody to feel better
Yeah.
about what's
इसीलिए
going
ना
on.
जब हमने स्क्रीनशॉट देखे मुझे एक टक्का बुरा नहीं, मुझे उनके लिए बुरा लगने लगा कि भाई ये क्या
The fact
कर
that
रहे हैं
she
यार.
has also admitted in front of me that she was jealous of me and that is why she did what she did.
Yeah.
And I was like,
And jealousy is
what
a
did you
disease.
get?
Jealousy is a fucking disease. Please, 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 please,
you are
please
fucking
just
enough
don't.
in your life. You don't need to compare yourself with other people. And
Exactly.
if your parents are doing that to you, I feel like you should tell them to stop.
Yeah.
Just tell them to
My
stop.
mom used to do that. Like she used to compare me with other people and stuff like that. But the thing is
But
that
the
मेरे को इतना
intention-
self belief था ना अपने आप पे
Yeah,
कि मेरे को वो
exactly.
affect ही नहीं किया.
The fact that, see, my mom also used to, like, she
And
still
then I
does
spoke. फिर मैंने बोला मम्मी
it. She
को.
still does it, but I don't take it as like a
Yeah, 'cause I know myself.
comparison. I just take it as her trying
Motivation.
to push
Yeah.
me to do better.
Motivation. Same.
Yeah.
There are, see, also you can take things in a good way and in a bad way,
Yeah.
and these guys constantly chose to take everything in a bad way, and jealousy is a disease, guys. I know you can't help it sometimes.
And the fact that when I wasn't even talking about it, they were already assuming that I was talking
Yeah.
about them.
True.
एक कुछ
Oh
एक रील
my
डाला था उसमें कि
God.
I cut that bitch off, my waist got thinner, कुछ तो ऐसे करके रील डाला था. She immediately goes to C, immediately goes to A and she's like कि पक्का मेरे बारे में बोल रही होगी ना कि oh my god ये मेरी बात कर रही है. मुझे ऐसा लगा भी नहीं, मैंने उसका रील लाइक करके ऐसे ही ना अप्रिशिएट किया कि wow such a thin waist, wow.
Exactly.
But like
Jealousy is a disease, but hating is a choice.
ठीक है भाई, अब तुझे लगता है कि मैं तुझे हेट करती हूँ तो ठीक है.
एग्जैक्टली. एंड भाई तो मैं बोलूँ मेरे को इतना बुरा लगने लगा ऐसे लोगों के लिए क्योंकि वो खुद इतने इनसिक्योर होते हैं. मैं उनसे क्या ही बात करूँ. इसीलिए ना हमने जो भी स्क्रीनशॉट्स वगैरह लिए वी हैड एब्सोल्युटली लाइक हम अपने मजे के लिए लेते थे. वी न्यू दैट ताकि हम उनके अगेंस्ट यूज करें बिकॉज हम क्या अगेंस्ट यूज करें उनके कि उनने ऐसा बोला. ओ माय गॉड, एवरीवन इन द वर्ल्ड नोज हाउ दे आर एज पीपल.
They have made so much fun about Devika, उसके facial expressions and everything. It does affect a person when they find out, right? Because somewhere, even if you're like strong as fuck and you're built of stone and shit, but when somebody is talking about you and forming an opinion about you, it does affect you thoda bahut also.
It affected you, baby, because you considered them as your friends. I never did. I always knew how she was as a person and I never liked her. So even if she bitched about me, it didn't affect me because I was like, why will I be affected by someone I don't give a shit about? चल अगर तू मुझे ऐसा बोलती तो सीधा 7th फ्लोर से नीचे सीधा. ठीक है, उतना हर्ट होती मैं क्योंकि मैं तुझसे एक्सपेक्ट करती हूँ. मैं उससे एक्सपेक्ट ही नहीं करती. हाँ, अरे मेरी नसें बचती नहीं इसीलिए सिर्फ कूदना ही पड़ता ना.
And Devika and we were like बहुत weird friends पहले भाई, एकदम bitching, you know, ये देविका तो पागल ही है भाई. But अब we've just grown out of it because it's just weird, it's unnecessary hating on people, it's just so unnecessary. Just be Buddha.
I was her friend crush by the way. I just want to say that.
No, you're not my friend crush, you were just a person that I saw and I was like, oh, she can never be my friend. You know, like, you were so good, you were too good to be true for me कि like, you know, कि like ये ऐसी बंदी तो मुझसे दोस्ती कभी नहीं कर सकती.
अब तो भाई too late.
Sorry,
too late. Okay, guys, we are out with a banger. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I know she's searching for more screenshots. Like, अभी एकदम मूड में आ
She
गई है
also
भाई.
used to make She also used to make like old edits of our friend group
Oh
comparing our
my
new
God.
one
Okay.
with an old
So
one,
to
something
give
like
you
that.
like ये तो basically obviously like हम मेरे birthday पे ना we hung out like as a group, like we weren't a group but we hung out with like guys and girls as a group, ठीक है. obviously मैंने सी को invite नहीं किया था because I don't give a shit about her anymore. तो हमने ना एक mirror selfie डाला with us as a group. I can even show that mirror selfie to you guys. तो she literally makes an edit on her private account being that song, but it's gonna hurt because we did it first, inserting her photo instead of Sanvi's photo. Like it was me, her and Rabia instead of me, Sanvi and Rabia. And वो एडिट के आई थिंक वो एडिट के बाद मुझे उसके लिए बुरा लगने लगा.
ब्रो वो कॉन्स्टेंटली हमारे बारे में बात कर रहे होते हो, कुछ भी बोलते हैं.
Yeah, like she literally posted that edit on her private account and तब भी only I was like, oh, some
Like,
people never learn.
since Rabia has already told everyone about what I have done, I think everybody is going to hate me now. They knew that I knew.
Let's give them an ASMR. Guys, don't be friends with haters. Please don't. Please don't. It's personal. No, please don't. And don't care what people say about you. You don't even know those people, and you don't give a shit about people. Always be friends with good people and winners. Be friends with winners. And like Salman Khan said, if they're not winners, make them a winner. Don't be friends with losers. Because we were, and it was not a good experience. Fucking tore her. She had to heal from it. It took her a year to fucking heal from it, and it took life out of me to see her like this. Like this is not what you're supposed to fucking do.
Don't be a Salman Khan lover.
Shut the fuck up, bitch. I thought you were gonna say something serious. Shut the fuck up.
Salman Khan is goated.
He's literally a bitch. He killed tears. A lot of tears. He's a bitch for that. I agree. And he's a loser. I hate Big Boss. I love Big Boss. I love Split. I love him. Opposites attract. Black and white.